Welcome to IDEN, the company that simplifies your workflow. Our modern software is made in a historic castle with origins dating back to 1331. In this video, you will learn how to set up ConnectIT via the ConnectIT Setup Wizard, how to change general settings, and how to maintain job queues. The first step is to install the app. You can scan the QR code in this screen to go to App Source. Please make sure that in the extension manager, the field Allow HTTP Client Requests is turned on. When you have installed the app, the first step is to select the ConnectIT Manager role, click on the wheel in the bar on top. Click on My Settings. Go to the role field and click on the button with the 3 dots. Now, select the ConnectIT Manager role and click in My Settings on OK. As you can see, there are ConnectIT menu items and a dashboard available. In the dashboard, you have an overview available of all the running interfaces, imported and exported data, and error messages. With the Personalize option, which is standard available in BC, you can change the dashboard as you like. Go to the wheel in the bar on top and then select the Personalize link. You see that there is a new grey bar on top. And if you hover over the dashboard, a red line will light up. At the right, there is an arrow visible. Click on the arrow to move, hide, or change columns. Click in the grey bar on Done if you have finished the personalization. In the menu on top, you will find the Administration menu item. Click on the Setup Wizard menu item. The first step in the wizard starts with the license key. Fill in the key that you have received per email. If you haven't have a valid license, click on the Contact button to contact IDEN. Click on Next. In this step, you can select your own API or the standard cloud API from ConnectIT. This API will connect with the third-party software. This API in some cases need to be whitelisted at the side of the third party. There is more info on our support site available. Scan the QR code to check the list of IP addresses. We advise to turn the mapping helper on. With this, you can use the definition wizard. The definition wizard can create a definition from an example file. Click on Next. In this step, you can turn on the job queue entries for ConnectIT to schedule the interfaces. Click on Next. Here you can select if you want example definitions installed. These example definitions are there for import and export side and contain some best practices. Click on Finish. You are done with the setup and you can start creating new interfaces. In another video, we will explain more about creating a definition and using the definition wizard. Under the Administration menu, it is possible to start the Setup Wizard again to change settings. But all the settings are also available in the General Setup. Click on General Setup. As you can see, all the general settings that are set in the wizard are available. In the General tab, the status of the license key is visible. And you can check if the Cloud API connection from IDEN is used or you use your own API. If you want to change this, please ask an IT manager or consultant to help you. In the Processing tab, you see how many attempts are set. This is used when an import or export fails. The amount of retry that is set will be used to retry again. Please note that if the retry attempts is too high, third-party systems can see the connection as spam. In the Number Series tab, the numbers are set that are used for the definition cards, tasks, projects, and endpoints. These are default set by the Setup Wizard. In the Field Mapping tab, you can see that the Mapping Helper is turned on. With the Mapping Helper, you can use the wizard to create the definitions based on a file. In the Logging tab, the default setting for the logging is set on information level. In the Scheduler section, you see if the job queue entries are running, if the job queue needs to restart when an error occurs, and an option to email an alert if the tasks run into a failure. In the Alerts tab, you can set a Twilio account. This is used to send SMS or WhatsApp messages if you want to be informed when a definition fails or is successful. On top of the page, there is a Contact button to contact IDEN and ask a question, or go to the support site. Next to the Contact button, there are beta features. Please be careful when turning new functions on if you already have definitions in production running. The beta feature can have impact on running interfaces. First test it in a sandbox before using in a production environment. ConnectIT uses the standard job queue from Business Central to schedule all the interfaces. When you start the setup wizard, the ConnectIT jobs are automatically created when you turn the checkmark on. Go to the dashboard and click on Job Queue to change the settings. In the overview of job queue entries, you can search for IDYC. Now you have the job queues available that are installed for ConnectIT. In the menu on top, there is an option to set the status to ready when it is on hold. Log entries will open the log of the job, and Show Error will show the latest error. To open the job queue card, click on the status of the job. In the tab Recurrence, it is possible to set the days, time, or interval when the task should run. In the tab General, the parameter string is used to separate imports from export. Please note that this job runs all the definitions if this is set on the definition card. In another training video, you will learn more about this. Job queues is standard Business Central functionality. More information is available on Microsoft Learn. In this video, you learned how to set up ConnectIT via the ConnectIT Setup Wizard, how to change general settings, and how to maintain job queues. ConnectIT 365 includes one free interface, with additional interfaces available. Thank you for watching. Follow us at www.idyn.nl to check our other products. Happy connecting!
IDEN. Simplify your workflow. Explore the perfect fit for your industry at idyn.nl.